Welcome back. In a fatal accident at Chikle, Ajay Chalmal was crushed to death. He was travelling from Panji to Vasco on his way to work. He was crushed down by a Bolero jeep. In another incident, police seized 9.40 kilograms ganja from a Nasim Kumar Bera, native of Howrah, Kolkata. Currently, he is in police custody.
Ajay Chalmal was crushed to death on Tuesday at Chikli. A rushing Bolero dashed the vehicle. Ajay was the native of Solapur, residing in Panji. The accident occurred at around 1:30 in the afternoon. Meanwhile, Vasco police arrested Asim Kumar Bera from Howrah in Kolkata. He was caught with 9.40 grams of ganja. Sources in the police informed that he is the captain of one of the barges and supplied ganja to people on the barge. He is presently in police custody. A reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Now news from sports. The second-level National Open Martial Arts Championship was held recently in Kalangut. Around 300 participants were seen in action in the two-day event, which was organized by the Chinese Wushu Kung Fu Association.
Secretary of Amateur Muay Thai Association of Goa, Leslie Maithi, gave details about the event.
15 स्टेट से आकर पार्टिसिपेट किया है. मिनिमम 300 प्लेयर अभी पार्टिसिपेट किया है. हम बहुत खुश हैं गोवा में ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए हमने ये सोचा और सभी लोगों ने सपोर्ट दिया. बहुत कंपनी और बहुत लोगों ने हमको स्पॉन्सर मिला और उसकी वजह से आज हम टूर्नामेंट करने के लिए टूर्नामेंट सक्सेस होने को मिल रहा है. तो सभी जिसने हम लोग को हेल्प किया सभी को हम धन्यवाद करता हूँ. और उसके बाद आगे भी हम लोग बच्चे लोगों को इंटरनेशनल लेवल और उसके बाद वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप खेल जाने के लिए हम लोग पूरा ट्राई करेगा.
Yoradi highlights. Meanwhile, Leslie has revealed that the students will take part in World Championship.
ये महीने पे थाईलैंड पे वर्ल्ड मुठाई चैम्पियनशिप होने वाला है. इसमें मेरे स्टूडेंट 3-4 स्टूडेंट अभी वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप खेलने जाएगा. तो मैं भी खुद गोवा स्टेट का कोच होकर जाएगा. तो हम सोच रहा हूँ अभी आप सब लोग साथ देगा तो मेरा स्टूडेंट श्योर सक्सेस होकर आएगा.
A reporter from Kalangut, Sham Sundar Fatte.
St. Joseph's High School from Kalangut won the Goa leg and qualified for the national round of Tata Chi Jagore Soccer Stars Inter Milan Talent Hunt program. In the final, St. Joseph's defeated Auxilium High School Karanzale by 2-0. The event was held at the Kalangut under the watchful eyes of head scout Jamshed Nasiri on Tuesday.
The Tata T Jagore Soccer Stars in association with Italian club Inter Milan was the kind of a platform these boys were looking for to test their footballing potential. The under-15 boys showed good skills. St. Joseph's were the best on show and fittingly won the Goa zonal finals. Head scout and former Iranian footballer Jamshed Nasiri revealed a challenge for a scout.
We are looking for the type of player or quality of the player who will be later on not disappoint us when they go abroad, because they are going to represent the country and definitely they have to be competitive based on maybe physical abilities, technique, skill, strength, stamina, and weight and height. All these plus awareness about the surrounding of during the game.
The game intelligence.
Yes, and then their understanding and pick up ideas from the opponents which they play against. All these are the things which we consider at the time selecting the players.
Okay.
And the result also till now had been very good. First 3 years we were semi-finalists in the international tournament in Arsenal Football Carnival, and 4th year we were champion.
Yeah.
So that shows that our country, India, has got a great potential, great talent is available, but depend upon how we are harvesting the talent, how we provide them infrastructure, exposure, channelizing their development.
Arjuna awardees Brahmanand Shankwalkar, Bruno Coutinho along with Jamshed gave away the prizes.
Yes.
Although it is tough to judge potential stars, Bruno is happy with the way talent hunt programs are giving opportunities to Goans.
They have their own judges over here, and what best they are doing is like they've been going to, and this is not the first time they have come in. They are going, and especially Brahmanan is there to select the talent over here. So whatever the best the judges have done, it will be the best I can feel also. But as you say, within one day you cannot judge. But overall they have to finish this tournament within the span of time what is given to them.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Par from Kalangut.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.